I've been using both XTB and DEGIRO, and in this video, I'm giving you an honest, unbiased comparison. If you're investing in 2025 and trying to decide between these two platforms, this quick review will help you make the right choice. Let's start with XTB. It's a global broker known for its commission-free trading on stocks and ETFs, up to 100,000 euros per month. Beyond that, a 0.2% fee applies. XTB also offers Forex and CFD trading with competitive spreads starting from 0.1 pips. The platform, XStation 5, is intuitive and packed with tools like real-time analytics and educational resources. Plus, there's no inactivity fee, and customer support is available 24/5 via live chat, phone, and email. Now, DEGIRO. It's a European broker favored for its low-cost structure and wide range of investment options, including stocks, ETFs, bonds, and options. While it doesn't offer commission-free trading, fees are transparent and competitive. For example, €1 plus a €1 handling fee for stock trades. DEGIRO doesn't charge inactivity fees and has a straightforward web and mobile platform. However, customer support is more limited, primarily via email during business hours. So which one should you choose? Opt for XTB if you're looking for commission-free trading up to €100,000 monthly, a robust trading platform, and access to Forex and CFDs. It's ideal for active traders who value advanced tools and responsive support. Choose DEGIRO if you prefer a broad selection of investment products, transparent low fees, and a simple platform. It's great for long-term investors focused on cost efficiency. That's it for this review. If you found this helpful, please give a super thanks by clicking the heart icon to support the channel, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews like this. See you in the next one.